Meaning of irreplaceable.
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 Irreplaceable. The word irreplaceable means that something or someone is unique and cannot be substituted by anything or anyone else. It implies that the object or person in question holds a special value or importance that cannot be replicated by any other alternative. For example, a family heirloom may be considered irreplaceable because it holds sentimental value that cannot be replaced by any other object. Similarly, a talented performer may be considered irreplaceable because their skills and abilities cannot be matched by anyone else.